You heal animals every day. But can an algorithm do it better? Stay watching, because the answer might shock you. Veterinarians spend years mastering diagnosis, surgery, and animal care. But AI is already reading X-rays, analyzing blood panels, and detecting diseases faster than any human. So, will artificial intelligence replace your stethoscope? Let's find out. AI is already replacing significant chunks of veterinary work. Radiology and diagnostic imaging AI models can spot fractures, tumors, and lung disease on X-rays and MRI scans with expert-level accuracy. Blood test analysis AI interprets hematology and biochemistry panels instantly, flagging abnormalities before you've even looked at the printout. Drug dosage calculation algorithms handle weight-based dosing with zero arithmetic errors. Electronic health records AI autofills notes from consultations using voice recognition. Telemedicine triage AI chatbots assess symptoms and advise owners on urgency. Pathology slide reading deep learning detects parasites and cancerous cells in tissue samples. These are real, deployed tools, not future concepts. Here's how smart vets stay ahead. Embrace AI-assisted diagnostics, use AI imaging tools to catch things you might miss, and you become twice as accurate. That's a superpower. Double down on surgery and hands-on care. No robot is performing a delicate soft tissue repair or comforting a frightened animal. Physical skill and empathy remain yours. Specialize deeply: oncology, cardiology, exotic species, or emergency and critical care are complex enough that AI augments rather than replaces specialists. Build owner relationships. Clients choose their vet because they trust them. AI cannot build that bond. Learn to operate AI tools. Vets who can interpret and validate AI outputs will be far more valuable than those who ignore them. The winning formula is: AI does the data, you do the decisions. Let's be honest, some veterinary roles will shrink. General practice vets doing purely routine work, vaccinations, repeat prescription management, basic diagnostics, will face pressure as AI handles more of that workflow automatically. Large corporate vet chains will use AI to reduce the number of vets needed per clinic. Veterinary nurses and technicians will take on more tasks as AI guides their decisions. But specialist vets, rural large animal practitioners, emergency surgeons, and those building strong client communities, they will remain highly valued. The vets most at risk are those who resist change and do only what algorithms already do better. Will veterinarians be obsolete by 2030? No, but the role will transform dramatically. By 2030, every veterinary clinic will use AI for imaging, diagnostics, and records. The vets who thrive will be AI-literate clinicians using technology to see more patients, make fewer errors, and focus entirely on complex cases and compassionate care. The vets who struggle will be those clinging to manual workflows that AI can do faster. The future belongs to the vet who says, "This AI is my co-pilot, not my replacement." Adapt, specialize, and stay curious. Your patients still need you. Just make sure you're showing up as the best version of yourself, powered by AI.